So as an immigrant...
Yeah.
Fi ddim yn deall beth sy'n rhoi ti off wneud Cymraeg. Just fel pethau fel treiglo pethau sa'n hoffi wneud y Cymraeg. I need to do the other one, biology and Cymraeg instead. Maybe even maths to do it.
Because you want to be a vet?
Ond when I'm meddwl bod I ffili wneud Cymraeg. Me too, but you still got another choice, still got another option to do something else. So if you enjoy Cymraeg, do Cymraeg. Don't think, don't think it's going to hold you back, because if anything, it's going to give you more opportunities.
As an Englishman, why have you always been very supportive?
I mean, I can see the advantages, the number of job opportunities, so many jobs that I could have applied for if I'd been a Welsh speaker, and obviously if you do an A Level.
So there's disadvantages basically if you're not a Welsh speaker.
It just opens up a much bigger avenue as a Welsh speaker.
I can remember you having a cardiologist appointment when you were very small, when you only spoke Welsh, and the cardiologist was, he switched to Welsh for you, and it made you feel so much more at ease because you just felt suddenly comfortable. Pa mor ti wedi penderfynu, achos o'n I ddim wedi goffa perswadio ti o gwbl.
O'n I just wastad di mwynhau'r gwersi, a athro fi efe.
So what are the best bits about it?
All the llenyddiaeth, the Mabinogi, hengerdd, and all the other llyfrau.
All the stuff that you never did in Tygau, basically,
Yeah,
the new things.
extra stuff.
A dramau, ti'n mynd I weld drama.
Ie, drama hefyd. Mae cymaint sy'n ei dramau, ffilm, nofelau.
So ti'n cael watchan ffilms mewn pynciau eraill I ti?
And I thought then I really enjoyed it, and I thought I just want to do something I enjoy, and I enjoyed Welsh, so I just wanted to do it.